Hello, we are playing some duels. So I was trying to do 2v2s just recently, but like my team, it was the same noob. He was shooting, missing every shot, being completely useless. And then I was literally wrecking people like this. And then they double team me. Okay, this guy's not bad, but yes, he's pretty bad. You're dead. Make a pop just in case. Okay, that was an easy win. Play another one. Let's do... I like zombies so much. Zombies so good. Is it the same guy? I don't know. It's so fun to combo people. It just gives you this pleasant feeling. Oh, he's playing Herobrine. He saw that I was like a master. And now he's getting wrecked again. Yeah, it doesn't matter what kit you play. It matters how good your skills are. What a win. Okay, so I actually maybe, if it's the same guy, I can keep farming wins off him. Okay, he's done. Yay! Wait, what's my streak right now? Like 6? It's just like a 6 streak. 8, maybe. Let me try to break the streak and get into the top 10. I really don't try to do that, but I'll try now. So, okay. Oh yeah, we are 6 streak. He's playing HB again, so like... Stop lagging. I'm not even gonna use my heal yet, so it's not even... Wow, okay. Come on, dude. Put up some challenge. We got a combo for once. I can feel, and now you're dead. He's speed potting. What a genius move. Okay. So I'm already at a streak of 7. If this guy plays again, then it's all something different. Okay, I'll still play zombie. Cause like, the illusion of them, they think that they're winning, right? They're like, and then I just heal, and then they're like completely even, or I'm even winning, and then it's just like they rage. Golem. I'm a little scared because I can't see you. Ooh, he's fighting good. I don't think I can get out of this. He's comboing me. Shoot. Ooh, this guy is good. Call it, please. Yes. This guy. I think the speed, this potion is what got me. Give me my heal. I'm comboing him. I hate his ability so much. Get out. He's lagging. Yeah, I lost my entire streak just now to 1 golem. And yeah, so that my streak reset. So that was really annoying. So I'll just maybe play a few more. So, okay. I'll play zombie. Cause, oh, creeper. Oh, why couldn't I have gotten someone like this just before? That one guy that ruined my streak. I can't believe it. I'll play probably 2 more matches because these people are just like falling in. I haven't played Hunter ever. Oh wait, I'll play Pig. No, Andy. Okay, Andy. Whatever. Phoenix. Hello. Stop. Wow, like this is the biggest bow spam I've ever seen. Oh, you're beating me. I'm dead. Oh wait, he's actually on high health. I might start trying now. So maybe I should like Oh. Oh, nice fight at the end. So I'll play this last duel, so yeah. Or maybe I could just end the video here. Victory. Joshibrothers. Yeah, guys, I'll end the video here, so make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.